Today, 18 May 2026 at 10:53 a.m., I edited my draft letter to the police solicitors and other defendants as a formal letter. And then at around 10:56 a.m., around 3 minutes after, a helicopter suddenly emerged and flew past my window. A helicopter is like a military style helicopter. It's like this almost every time I type in sensitive, crucial information into my legal documents. As I was recording this, a housemaid immediately exited the property and slammed the door shut. As you can hear, a housemaid smacked the door shut right after I said the word crucial information